name is Kingshuk.
My name is Shams Raza. I work at Car and Bike.
Yeah, I'm Anand Mohan. I'm the digital editor and the heads of events and experiences at Evo India.
Quite excited because we have seen the car in flesh right now, and at least from the outside, the visual spectacle that the Nexon is, the updated model is, it's absolutely fantastic, and I'm really excited to try out all of them tomorrow.
It's been a significant car for Tata Motors, and it has been part of a lot of experiences I've had with the car over the past few years. This update is a big one, so I'm looking forward to driving it.
I'm feeling good. It's a good event, and now we have seen a lot already, even before driving the car. So yes, a well packaged, fully loaded event, just like the car.